Smart Rapper Gang! What up, Smart Rapper Gang? First off, I want to say this in this video, okay? So this is the video I'm going to tell you the advantages and the reasons why, as a professional artist,
Come on!
Let me say it like this. As an artist who takes him or herself seriously, who is and understands that they are a business and wants to appear more professional and look like a business that's serious about rapping or having a career in music or anything, you need to have a website. A website's gonna help you differentiate you from somebody who doesn't. If you don't have a website, there's kind of an issue with that. You know what I'm saying? Are you really an artist? You don't have a website? So this is the leap. If you are a serious artist who would take the time to build your website, you know how that's gonna look to everybody else who sees that, like, oh, look at that website. Oh, you might be kind of serious. You know what I'm saying? Businesses have websites. Even if it's just one page, they have a website. They have a place that they can send people to understand them. This is what my business is, okay? It's that simple. Now let me tell you something more important than all this, okay? How you can make money off of this, okay? For one, is if you learn the skill set of how to make a website, and I'm gonna show you 100% free for like, it'll take you less than an hour, okay? Because I have a course, I'll put a link below. You could take the course, learn how to build websites in less than an hour, like basic, get it all set up. It's not hard, it sounds hard, everything's scary when you first do it. Even riding a bicycle, you fall off a couple times, right? Here's the thing, you can start selling this skill to friends and family and be like, hey, $500. Like, you're like, oh, my aunt needs your aunt needs a website. I'm gonna tell her, give me $500. Like, if people know that you can make websites, and it's a skill you can learn how to do in like an hour, you can start making money from it. Like I always tell you on Smart Rapper, if you have a skill, you can monetize the skill, okay? You can make money from the skill, apply that money towards building your career. All right, so let's get into it. 10 reasons that artists need a website and why you're gonna grow faster by having a website. As you can see, this is actually the information straight from one of my top posts on smartrapper.com, because people always look at this and they know this, right? So number one is you own the domain name for your name. If let's say that your name is JB the God or something like that, right? If you don't own jbthegod.com and somebody else takes it and then they start calling themselves JB the God, and you guys have the same amount of social media, followers and everything else like that, he can show I own the website. Like I was more serious with this name. Either way, if you don't own the website, somebody else can go buy your rap name. If they don't like you, for $12, they could go buy your rap name and you are shit out of luck unless you have a trademark, which is extremely hard to actually trademark a name. Okay, so like, right, you need to spend at least the $12 to go get your domain name and lock it down. So number one, you own it. Even if you don't build a website, own your name so nobody else can buy it out from under you. Because imagine somebody takes your name, builds a website about you, and is talking shit about you, and you can't do nothing about it because they own your domain name. And yes, they can 100% legally do that. I can buy any domain name I want right now that is not already purchased, and I can build whatever the I want to build on there. That's a scary thought, okay? So at least go get your domain name. Very important. Number two, you're gonna come up in Google searches and Bing searches and in search engines, you're gonna come up in there faster with your web page. So if somebody else wants to have the same rap name as you, especially if you're new and you're really starting out, if somebody else has the same rap name as you or they wanna have the same rap name, you are gonna come up first when somebody Googles that name. Your website will come up first, okay? That is very important to make sure that nobody else has the same rap name as you, okay? Number three, you're the boss. No one can take down any content that you post on this website because you own the website. Facebook can't be like, deleting this post is inappropriate, deleting this post because we don't like it, people reported this post, or YouTube or anything. Nobody can take down your content. You fucking own it 100%. You are the boss. You own the website. This is very important. Number four, you can post any content you want on any page. If you ever make a post or you make a blog post or you tell people about your story, you can always link out to your other social media sites and everything like that. You can do anything you want. It's limitless because you own the website. Once you start gaining a fan base, you'll be able to reach your fans at the click of a button. Number five, massively important for you to make money, is you can, from your website, obviously sell merchandise, sell autographed CDs. Yes, people will still buy them because they're autographed. If they're a fan, they'll buy a CD or they'll buy a thumb drive, like I showed you guys and girls how to do that. You can even sell your tickets to your shows on here. You put your flyers to your shows on here so people can get more information and everything. You can sell things on here to make money, okay? How are you gonna sell merchandise without a store? There are storefronts, but then it's like not the same because it's not the same experience as being on the artist's website, having the loyalty built into the website. They know that they're on the person's website and they want to support them, they buy it. It's different from having a store that's hosted on a different website and them going to buy it because it's not as personal. So therefore, the chances of them converting into a customer is actually much lower. So really, you're gonna make more money by having a website and putting your merch on there and telling people, hey, I got merch, go to my website. Number six, instead of just directing somebody to an Instagram or to a Twitter, send them to your website. Why? Because it shows them everything. Look, here's my website. Right on the front page, you can see there's my Instagram, there's my email address, there's my merchandise, there's my YouTube, there's everything right there in front of you that you can click on and see all of my stuff. You just send them to an Instagram, they just see the Instagram. Show them everything. Allow them to grow with you. Allow them to not only follow you on Instagram, but follow you on Twitter and follow and like you on Facebook and get you everywhere. Don't just send them the Instagram where they only follow you on Instagram. You get what I'm saying? You'll grow faster like this. Number 7, you can collect emails faster. Now I have another video and a full course for free in the mixtape level of the Smart Rapper community. I put a link below for you where I show you how to build an email list, okay? Well, when you have a website, you'll build an email list much faster. You can offer things on the website to build up that email list, and an email list is very important because you have 10,000 fans on an email list and people are opening your emails. When you send something to 10,000 people, you can make, you sell a t-shirt, 10,000 people get the email. If 1% of those people buy a t-shirt, if 100 people bought a t-shirt at $20, you just made $2,000 off of an email blast. And you can release a new t-shirt every month. You can make $2,000 a month off of t-shirts. Now that's not something that is always to be expected. That's just an example doing basic math. But you do need an email list. It is extremely important if you want to be able to stay in contact with your fans. Number 8, very important, your website will never be affected by the changes in algorithm or changes in anything else on another social media site, right? Because you own the site. It doesn't change unless you change it. For instance, I like to use this as a great example. On Facebook, it used to be I had 50,000 likes on my Facebook page, all fans of my music. And I used to be able to reach a lot of those people. Then when they changed the algorithm in 2012, because they had an initial public offering and had to start keeping all of their shareholders happy, they started charging money for people to advertise. So an independent artist like myself had to start paying $500 to reach my own fans. Those 50,000 people, $500 for my own fans to see me make a post about anything. It was $500. And if not, well, it went from 18% organic reach to 10% to 8% to 4% to 2%. So now only about 2% of people out of those 50,000 people see my post unless I pay. And that's how it is for everything on Facebook. And that's why Facebook is now primarily based on targeted ads and for businesses trying to grow through ads through targeted people. Because artists and stuff like that, you don't see artists on Facebook really posting shit anymore because it's dying off. It's not something that independent artists like us need. Anyways, you own it, you control it, you're not affected by social media networks. It's a big deal. Number 9, I love to point this out to everybody. You get a professional email address, okay? So if your name was JB the God or whatever, I'm just making these up out of thin air, you could get JB at jbthegod.com. And when you have a personalized email address that's connected to a domain, when you tell somebody, here's my email address, how much more professional do you look because you have that email address? Like, think about that. You look way more professional to somebody instead of like JB the God 2016 at, gmail.com. Like, that looks so generic compared to having your own domain, having your own real personalized email address. Plus, you could build email addresses for as many people as you want. So if you have a whole bunch of friends, you got people helping you out, you could give them email addresses and they can access it and everything else like that. Super easy. It takes like 20 seconds to set up an email address. It's stupid easy. And I'm gonna show you inside of the course. I have a link below that shows you how to build a website, everything like that. 100% free course on how to do it. I teach you guys how to set up everything, start to finish, emails, everything. Link's gonna be below. And number 10, which is extremely important, is you get to tell your story as an artist from your perspective. It doesn't come from somebody else writing about you on a different website and saying this is how we see him or her. You get to say, this is my story, this is how I'm delivering it. I want you to see this is what I've been through, or this is what my brand is about. You can say it in your own way, on your own terms, with whatever images you want, with that whatever branding, whatever colors you want. You can do that yourself because you own the website, right? So I tell my story. I have mycrazylifestory.com where I tell my entire life story, right? Well, I tell 0 to 18 and the second half of my life's being turned into a movie and then a TV show, but that's something else. Don't worry about that right now. So I use it as a way to inspire people using my story, and then I also show them, a lot of stuff on like life lessons and all the books that I've read. Anyways, I don't want to talk your ear off, but those are the top 10 reasons why you really need a website. And I have a 100% free course, and most people charge like $20 to $100 for a course. I'm giving it to you guys for free because I want to help you guys really, push and drive your career. So inside of the mixtape level, which is the free level of the Smart Rapper community, and you guys know this is brand new, so I'm giving you guys as much value as I possibly can. For 100% free, the course is free. You go sign up to the mixtape level of the Smart Rapper community. The course is 100% yours, along with A&R contacts, music industry contracts. I got how to sign up for BMI or ASCAP. I got copywriting and trademarking information. I got all kinds of free courses in there, and then you're gonna see everything else I got in there. I mean, I got almost 30 courses in there right now. Like, you get like 8 courses for free, and they have like 30 courses across the whole site. So it's like, it's going crazy right now, but you can get it for free right now. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it like that, but it's free right now because it's new. So go below, sign up for that, go watch that course. You'll learn how to make a website in less than an hour, and then you can start selling that skill set to whoever else needs a website and start making some money. Okay, I'll see you guys on the other side. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. Hit me with a comment. Please hit me with a subscribe and hit the little bell when you do, because it's gonna notify you every time I release a new video so you can become smarter and smarter, okay? New video every day. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Get out there, start kicking some ass, okay? I got your back.